Hi friends, we're gonna make a trip. So we bought these Hefty large travel bags. We get 5 in this pack. And as you can see, these bags are the kind that will shrink, getting air out of them, okay? So I'm going to show you. We are going to put like your underwear and things like that you want to bring with you, but you don't want to have a lot of space in your bag. So you put your clothes in these bags and then, okay, you roll them to get the air out. Let me show you. Okay, and then you see how the air is going out and it doesn't come back. So you really are compressing what you are packaging. Okay, so you get the same clothes, your same stuff, but in a smaller place, so you can pack everything more conveniently. Okay, so perfect. Let's go.